All right, first up, this new paradigm. November 2025 was really the moment that AI stopped being a story about individual models and became a story about these deeply interconnected platforms. It was a true phase transition, kind of like water turning to ice. So, the most important thing to get here is this: you just can't separate these three things anymore. A model's ability to reason is now completely tied to its ability to use outside tools, and all of that is totally dependent on having access to almost unimaginably powerful and expensive physical hardware. They're now one single, inseparable system. So let's talk about the brains of these new systems. The models that came out around this time weren't just bigger versions of the old stuff. No, the way they were built, their underlying architecture is just fundamentally different. It lets them think and create in totally new ways. And check this out. This is a huge architectural shift. For the longest time, models like GPT worked by predicting just one word at a time, which, as you can imagine, is kind of slow. But now, a new player called Inception is using diffusion, the same kind of tech behind image generators, but for text. They generate the whole thing at once and then clean it up, which could make AI up to 10 times faster, a real game changer.